everyone, and welcome back to my channel. This video is super exciting for me. It has took me a minute to film this. I was trying to wear as many of these polishes as I could to insert pictures along the way, and this is an ILNP, I love nail polish haul, and a Holo taco haul. Anyways, let's jump right in. ILNP. I've been eyeing these four nail polishes for the longest time in their line, and I picked up Dewdrop. It's a minty green with these really beautiful little turquoisey teal speckles in it. This one here, oh my goodness. I got Morning Rays, and it's like a mauve-y holographic shifting polish. And this matte top coated is one of the most beautiful nail polishes I've ever seen. I also had been eyeing for a long time Legacy, and it's like this obnoxious green shade with a red shift to it, and it's also got holographic glitters in there as well. These polishes are some of the most unique nail polishes that I've ever seen personally, and have ever used, and have ever owned. You know, like, these are really unique to my collection. And I also picked up Eclipse. I had to. And I chose to get the original Eclipse because I can add holographic glitters to it. And as you can see, it's like a dark, still kind of gray, almost black, with a shifting red property to it. But depending on the lighting, it can shift to green and has red. You can see the shift right there. It is absolutely stunning. This is a super unique polish for sure. I also want to throw out there, not only the prices of these polishes sometimes is hard to swallow because they're kind of pricey and I'm frugal and I'm cheap, but the quality and the uniqueness you get with these polishes is totally worth it. They also come really well packaged. So from Holo Taco, I wanted to try several different polishes. I wanted a good matte top coat, but I really enjoyed this. I have the matte top coat on my nails now. These nails are not done either, so there's going to be an upcoming tutorial as well, but I grabbed the matte taco. The first polishes I'm going to share with you are the ones that really prompted me to place an order, and I've been eyeing these polishes for a while, and then she came out with another collection and another collection, and well, you know, I decided it was time to place an order. I really loved her unicorn skins. I love the packaging to these. They're kind of similar to the ILNPs, but it's a nail polish bottle. Just saying, I love that. And then this one, I got Solar Unicorn Skin, which I absolutely love. These have so many different shifts to them, and when they're applied, they take on different shifts when they're applied over different polishes. This was absolutely beautiful over white. All of them are, but I got Solar. And I also picked up, this is from the first Unicorn Skin collection as well, and I picked up Cosmic. Once again, a flaky, super packed flaky polish with all these different shifts, dimensions to it. You can really see it there. These are beautiful over white. They're beautiful matted. If you matte top coat them, you can see the shifts even better. Also, this is another one that I had to have, and it's the Flaky Holo Taco. And this is a holographic glitter. It's jam-packed in there. And not only that, but it has like flaky, irregular pieces throughout it as well. So it's really unique. Oh, that one's stunning. Okay, and then the next collection I ordered from, and the last, is the Multi-Chrome collection. I love multi-chromes. I always have, and these are stunning. So first I picked up Purple with Envy. See the different shifts. Next up is Cat's Evasion. Look at that. Oh my. Next up, Chameleon Coat. And these were out of stock when I originally was going to order. And then like a few days after I checked back again, they were in stock. So I ordered the whole collection of the multi-chromes. This one, Blue Ain't Slick. Love that. And last and final Holo Taco polish I have, Mist Shift. Stunning. These nail polishes, they apply so good. Also, I want to just point out the Holo flaky polish, they do dry a little bit raised up, a little bit bumpy, especially this one here versus like the ILNP holographic glitters, flaky glitters. They dry flat. They're really easy to remove on your nails. This one wasn't difficult to remove or anything, but it just didn't lay completely flat. You have to top coat it a couple times. That was my ILNP and Holo Taco nail polish haul. Hope you guys enjoyed it. Well, stay tuned for lots of new nail looks coming, and stay tuned for all that. Check the description box for additional links as well as other information. Check the cards, and thank you guys so very much for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed the haul. Don't forget to like the video, comment, subscribe, and ring the bell if you haven't already. Stay tuned for more videos.